YouTubers, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for all those people who watch my videos. It really means a lot to me. Thank you. And today I am here again with a short review on a foundation, and it's a drugstore foundation by Revlon. And I know how much people struggle with, especially with my skin tone that I have, a natural skin tone, how much we struggle with finding the right shade for ourselves. And I am here with a short review on Revlon Color Stay Whipped Cream Makeup. This thing and this stuff is amazing. This is totally worth the buy. Why I'm saying this, don't think that I have been advertising or Revlon is paying me for this or anything like that, but I was using the Estee Lauder All Day Wear Long Makeup. I think it was more like a BB cream, and that stuff was amazing, but I got it for like 35 bucks from Macy's, and it was definitely too pricey for me to spend that much amount of money on a foundation. I didn't want to spend that much money in foundation, so I was searching out for something if I could buy the exact same shade and the exact same texture in a drugstore brand, and I found this one. And I got this from Walmart for around $10.99. My shade is 370 and it's natural tan, and like it says, it's 24 hours. 24 hours, yes it is, because I had been to this event. It was my festival, and we played a lot and we danced a lot, and I was sweating, but still this thing didn't came out. So definitely it's 24 hours. It's very lightweight, it's very natural. It looks pretty thick. It looks like as if it's super thick, super creamy, but all you just need is a little bit of it. You don't need too much of the product, honestly. You just need like a little bit of pea size of amount, and boom, you're on to go. It looks very flawless, it looks very natural. This stuff is really good if you have dry skin tone. My skin is really dry, especially during winters, and now that we know it's fall, it's gonna be super dry. So I love this product because it's really good for dry skin, and I definitely recommend you to buy this if you don't want to spend too much amount of money in buying expensive foundations. No offense to people who are using it, but I'm not the one who would spend 30 to 35 bucks in a foundation. Definitely worth the buy. I got this from Walmart for $10.99. It's super cheap, and you can get it in CVS, Walgreens, Walbombs, any other pharmacy that is there next to your house, close by. This is like the very famous Revlon Color Stay brand, so you can find it anywhere, but I would definitely recommend you to buy it from Walmart because Walmart is a little cheaper. Definitely worth the buy. Yes, only thing I don't like about it is the packaging. The glass thing, it's fine, but I don't like the top cover that they have given, because sometimes when you want to remove it, it just just falls off your hand and it can get messy. So this is the only thing I don't like. I'll get rid of it soon. But they have a lot of product, and it's super thick, like it doesn't fall off, like how you can see. Super thick, but I love it. I think this product is just amazing. I mean, if you're looking out for something for dry skin, definitely you should go for this. My shade 370, natural tan. So all those people with my skin tone, a tan skin tone and finding difficulty, then this shade would be really perfect for you. It looks very flawless. It doesn't feel like you have put too much of makeup on. Like I have it on right now, and I have not used any concealer or anything. It's just the foundation and a little bit of bronzer and my blush and my highlighter. That's it. So definitely worth the buy. I would recommend you to buy this. I would give 9 out of 10 to this product. The only one thing I don't like about it is the packaging, but I think who cares about the packaging. I would definitely buy this product again. Yeah, so that's it for the day, and if you like my videos, do subscribe, and do like my videos, and let me know if you want me to do any more videos, whether it's hair, skin, anything. I would be more than happy to do it. So that's it. See you guys. Bye. Ciao. Take care.